Hi friends, today we are with the OPPO A5 2020. This is a mirror black color, and yes, recently we have unboxed OPPO A9 2020. So let's see what are the box content and also few more things of the device. Now starting with the scene here, we are getting the 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB internal storage. The rear camera is 12 megapixel plus 8 plus 2 plus 2, and also 8 megapixel front camera. Here at the back it is written ultra wide quad camera, 5000 mAh battery, 665 processor, Dolby dual speakers. It is a mirror black color and made in India box. So let's see what is first inside the small case. Here we are getting a safety guide and a quick guide. So here you can see safety guide and quick guide. There is a SIM card ejector tool and a back cover, which is a silicone back cover. Now this is the device, and A5 2020 looks pretty much similar what we have seen in the A9 2020. What is the difference? We will talk about that later. Currently, let's boot the device at the same time. What are the other box content? Here we are getting a 10-watt charger and also a Type-C cable. It is good to see that OPPO is coming with all the smartphones with Type-C support. We hardly have seen a micro USB, but other than that, talking about the earphones, it has an earphone in the box and it comes with a mic also, so that is also a great thing. Here you can see the mirror black color. It is definitely shining and glossy. The other color will be dazzling white. At the back you can see the 4 camera setup with LED flash. There is the power button with green accent. On the top we are getting nothing. If we go to the bottom side, here we are getting the Type-C charging cord, speaker grills, and also the 3.5mm jack. And if we go to the other side, there is a volume rocker keys. Also you have the SIM card tray. So we will take out the SIM card tray and check out the content. So the device comes with the triple slot. It comes with the dual nano SIM card slot and one expandable slot. The device is a little bit heavy. It weighs around 195 gram. One of the main thing is that it comes with the 5000 mAh battery. Coming to the display, it comes with the 6.5-inch HD plus display with Gorilla Glass 3 protection. And also if you talk about the front camera, it is a 8 megapixel front camera. So we will talk about that also in later part. Coming to the settings, we'll go and through all the specification of the device. Let's start. So it comes with a 6.5-inch HD plus display, Gorilla Glass protection, water drop notch. It has a processor which is octa-core Snapdragon 665, RAM 4 GB, internal memory 64 GB, currently running on OS Android 9.0 with color OS 6.0.1. It has a battery of 5000 mAh with 10-watt charger. It also supports reverse charging, similar like we have seen in OPPO A9 2020. Definitely this is one of the best features what you can get with the device. Now coming to the price, it will be coming in two variants, 3 GB 64 GB, which will be costing around 12,490, and the other variant will be 4 GB 64 GB, which will be costing around 13,990. So these are the two variants. The box price is 15,990, so don't go with the box price. The fingerprint setup, here you can see it is very easy to do that. I will also show you how to do the face unlock. So here you can see the face unlock. I am doing it. Will take just a few seconds to do the face unlock, and once it is done, you can unlock the face in the low light scenarios. I have tried and tested that also, and the fingerprints works very smoothly. The fingerprint sensor is at the back. There's a physical fingerprint sensor, and I will ask you to switch on this mode, which says that it will enhance the brightness when you are in a dim situation. Now if we go to other settings in the display, we are also getting the color which you can tone to warmer or cooler. So warmer will be more yellowish color, cooler will be more bluish color, and default will be the normal tone of the color. If we go to the smart services, here smart services, it can be switch on when you are driving or riding any bike or motorcycle. Talking about smart assistant, it is just number of bunch of cards where you will got an information which of the apps you can install, similar apps or frequent used apps, also how many steps you have done, calendar, calculator, many things will be there. Now coming to the camera, which is one more highlight. If we start, the primary rear camera is the 12 megapixel with f1.8. There is a second camera which is 8 megapixel ultra wide camera with f2.5 with having a wide angle of 118 degree. Coming to the third camera, which is the 2 megapixel depth camera with f2.4, and there is lastly macro camera which is also f2.4. So this is what we are getting. You can see the ultra wide shot we can take. We can also do 1x, 2x or 5x zoom. There is also beauty mode, you can change that. There is some AI which will work also at the same time. You are getting some modes including the night mode, expert mode, time lapse, slow mo, stickers. Google Lens is also present. SDR you can manually switch on or switch off. There is a dazzle color. This is basically the AI will work in the scenarios. And if we go to the settings, there are a few settings that I don't like. It is the shutter sound and also the location. You can change the photo ratio. There is a AI scene recognition which I will tell you to switch it on, because it will give you more vibrant and saturated image which can be posted on social media like Facebook, Instagram. Now coming to the rear camera, the rear camera can shoot 4K video, Full HD video and HD video, which is definitely a good thing. Video encoding can be in the efficient or the best compatibility. So these are the features what you are getting for the rear camera. If we switch to the front camera, I will talk about that also. The front camera comes with the 8 megapixel f2.0. If we talk about the A9, it was coming with A9 2020 was coming with 16 megapixel. This is coming with 8 megapixel, and the A9 2020 was coming with 48 megapixel primary rear camera, but this one is coming with 12 megapixel as the primary rear camera. There are too many customization. If we go to this portrait mode, beauty mode, you can do the settings, you can play it around. You can make your eyes bigger, nose smaller, or maybe a cheek bigger or smaller. These are the few settings you can play it around. It is just a customization, you can do that. Going to the settings in the front camera, first the video resolution, it supports Full HD and SD video recording. Full HD will be in 30 fps, not 60 fps. And the video encoding is the feature similar what we have seen earlier for the rear camera. So this is all about the Moto A5 2020. I have already told you the price. There will be two variants. One will be coming for 12,490, another will be coming for 13,990. So this is all about the OPPO A5 2020 quick look, and definitely check out the video till the last, because I will show you how the fingerprint is working and also at the same time the face unlock is working. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.